You probably didn't realize that math is all around us, even in a game of Angry Birds. Let's investigate. In order to hit the pigs, the Angry Birds had to create certain angles with the slingshot. Here, the Angry Bird is at an acute angle with the slingshot. Acute angles help the Angry Birds hit the pigs. What would happen if we positioned the Angry Bird at a right angle? What about an obtuse angle?
Release me, release my body. I know it's wrong.
Wow, who knew there was math in video games? Let's take a further look into another leisure activity that I myself consider a sport, shopping. Last week when I went to the mall, I brought with me $50, but I came home with only $20. Can we use math to figure out how much money I spent at the mall? $50 minus $20 is $30. That means that I spent $30 at the mall. Sometimes it's fun to shop online and find discounts.
Oh my gosh, I found the cutest shoes that were originally $130 but are now 81% off. Isn't that awesome? I wonder how much they cost now.
I first knew that I had to convert my percentage into a decimal, so I did 81% divided by 100 and got 0.81. The next thing I did was 0.81 times $130, which is the original price of the shoes. My answer was $105.30. This is how much money I saved. To find the sale price, I subtracted $105.30 from the original price of the shoes, $130, and got $24.70.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Did you realize how much math is in our everyday lives?
No, I used to think that math was just for school, but we've discovered that it's in a lot of things that we love doing outside of school too. Who knew that math could be in Angry Birds, shopping, baseball, and football?
Wow, there's math in a lot of places, but let's take a further look into sports and recreation. We spent the day on a playground. Do you see any shapes on this jungle gym?
Here we are on a basketball court, and we realize there's tons of geometry to basketball courts.
They're playing basketball.
We can edit it.
We love that basketball. They're playing basketball. We love that basketball. They're playing basketball.
If I make 5 shots out of 20, what fraction of shots did I make?
Corey is walking around the border of a circle. What do we call the border of a circle?
This is a diameter that divides this circle. If I stand in this portion of the circle, what percentage of the circle am I standing in?
I had no idea that math was in a recess setting. There's shapes all around us. Right, Corey?
Yeah, there's so many math problems you can create with something kids love to do, play around at recess.
I didn't realize how easy it would be to find authentic contacts for a math class that students would enjoy.
Using authentic contacts like sports and leisure can help students stay focused and engaged in math learning.